Hey guys, this is Gummy Bear, and today we are going to be making pizza out of Play-Doh. So, for the crust, we're going to be using this color, the orangey. So let me just open that up, and let's get it out. I'm going to roll it up into a ball, then I'm going to flatten it out. Now I'm going to roll it. I think this is good. Flatten it out like that. Now we're going to use this red for sauce. Take it out and get some color. I'm just gonna roll that up into a ball, kinda flatten it out like that. Put it on the pizza. Now we're gonna take some of this yellow and make some cheese. What you can do is take some of it, roll it up to a ball, and do that. And then you could put little pieces off, then do that. Or you could just take the whole thing and make cheese. Like that. I'm gonna take a toothpick, make designs on it so it looks like the cheese melted on there. Like just do little scratches. So it looks like real cheese. And that's what my pizza looks like. Like and subscribe and comment down below what you would like for me to make next.